So I just finished doing my makeup. I'm not even gonna go out or anything. I'm just trying to look cute. Right now I just have some papas boiling and I have some potatoes and some jitomates just boiling so I can make a sauce. And the papas because I'm gonna make tacos dorados. So yeah, I just have to finish cooking and yeah, I'll show you guys. So I just changed into clothes and I kind of just put a pinza on my hair so that since I'm gonna be cooking, so that I don't get any like hair in the food. I'm gonna be making papas. Let me show boiling the papas so like I can like smash them, and then I just boil the jitomate so that I can make a sauce. And yeah, and then I have my tortillas right here so that I can start my taquitos. And then how the process is going. You guys can like peepee vet XO in the background, but I'm just gonna show you guys right now when the papas are done, kind of how I'm doing it, so you guys can get me. The papas are already ready. You know they're ready when you can like poke it with a tenedor and it goes in like super easy. I'm gonna let those cool down meanwhile so that I can like smash, so I can peel them and smash them. I already cut the lechuga and I put it on one of those so that I can wash it. I'm just gonna set that aside. And then meanwhile, I'm gonna make the salsa, the tomato salsa. So I just put the jitomates in the licuadora and I'm gonna be adding a little bit of oregano. Not much, just a bit to give it some taste. And then I'm gonna add some salt. And then I'm just gonna add some of the water from where I boiled it. Add some of the water, and then I'm just gonna liquefy that. Now you just taste it, salt if you like it to your preference, and then just add it like on one of these little bins. I'm just gonna add it to one of those little bins, and there, the sauce is done. I honestly forgot to record how I was doing the tacos, but basically this is what smashed the potatoes in another bin, and then I grabbed the bag, like I grabbed like a few tortillas and I warmed them up in the microwave for like 30 seconds, and then I put the papa like on the tortilla and then just fold it in half. And then I just put them to start frying on the oil. So that's basically how you do them. And after they're like fried, they should look like little tacos with like in tostadas. My Spanglish. But after all you need to add is just like some sour cream, some queso fresco, the lechuga and the sauce that I made, and then your preference of chile. And yeah, I'll insert in a picture of how they should look at the end. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little cooking with me experience. I had never done it, and I'm hoping I get to do more anytime soon. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Love you guys.